Hello everyone, welcome to Sani Sir Maths Academy. Today we will discuss number system part 3. First we will discuss even number. These are some numbers. When we divide these numbers by 2, remainder should be 0. Those numbers are called even numbers. For example, say 2 is a number. When we will divide this number by 2, then what will we get? If we divide 2 by 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0. If this remainder is 0, then this number will be called even numbers. One more example, say we have a number 24. If we divide this number by 2, then we will get 12 and our remainder will be 0. So if remainder is 0, then this number is called even number. So 24 is even numbers. Now list of even numbers will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. So after that we'll discuss odd number. So now what is odd number? So these are some numbers that after dividing by 2, remainder does not become 0. For example, if we divide 7 by 2, we'll get 2 3 is 6, 7 minus 6, 1. That is, remainder is 1. Remainder is not 0. So if remainder is not 0, then this number 7 will be called odd number. So list of odd number will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So now we have two questions. The first question is, what is the smallest even number? Answer will be 2. Second question, what is the smallest odd number? Our answer will be 1. What is prime number? To know about prime numbers, we must know multiples and factors. So at first we will discuss multiples. So what is multiples? So a multiple is the result of multiplying a number by natural number. That is by 1, 2, 3, ... Now what will be the multiples of 2? So as per definition, a multiple is the result of multiplying a number by natural number. So when we talk about multiples of 2, then we need to multiply 2 by all natural number. It means the first natural number is 1, 2 ones are 2. Next 2 into 2, second natural number 4. So these will be multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 will be 2, 4, 6, 8. So after knowing multiples, we must know factors. So what is factor? A factor is a number that divides another number exactly. So what is factors? A factor is a number that divides another number exactly. It means 2 divides 6 exactly. So exactly means what? Remainder should be 0. If we divide 6 by 2, 2 3 is 6, our remainder is 0. When our remainder is 0, then we say 2 divides 6 exactly. So if a number divides another number exactly, then this number will be called as a factor of that number. 2 is a factor of 6. All other factors of 6 are 1 will always divide every number exactly. 1 is called general factor. 1 is factor of all number. 2 divides 6 exactly. So 2 is also a factor of 6. 3 divides 6 exactly and 6 divides 6 exactly. So it means every number has at least 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. So factors of 6 will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. So what is prime numbers? Numbers that have only 2 factors. that is 1 and the number itself. We have got that 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 has 4 factors. 6 is not a prime number. Why? Because it has factors more than 2. So we'll say 6 is not a prime number. So to be a prime number, the number should have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So we can say 2. 2 is a number that has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 2. So it means what? Only 1 and 2 divides 2 exactly. When 1 divides 2, remainder is 0. When 2 divides 2, remainder becomes 0. So it means only 1 and 2 divides 2 exactly. So 2 has only 2 factors. So 2 is a prime number. After that 3. So we can divide 3 by only 1 and 3 exactly. So 3 has 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So 2, 3, these numbers will be called prime numbers. So what about 4? 4 has factors more than 2. It means 1 divides 4 exactly, 2 divides 4 exactly and 4 divides 4 exactly. Apart from 1 and the number itself, it has one more factor, that is 2. So if a number has factors more than 2, then it is not prime. So we'll say 4 is not a prime number. So after 2, 3, we'll get 5, then 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So these are the prime numbers. Question arises that what is the smallest prime number? So our answer will be 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. So after knowing prime number, we'll go after composite number. Numbers that has more than 2 factors. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So our first composite number will be 4, because 4 has factors more than 2. It means it has more than 2 factors, 1, 2 and 4. So as per definition, a number will be called composite if it has more than 2 factors. So 4 has 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. So 4 will be composite number. So after 4, we have 6. It has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these numbers will be called composite numbers. So list of composite number will be 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. I had written 1 is not prime. So now what? Is 1 composite? No. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So now question arises, what is the smallest composite number? 4 is the smallest composite number. After prime and composite numbers, we must know co-prime. So two numbers will be called co-prime if they do not have common factors except 1. When we will talk about co-prime numbers, we will always talk about a pair of numbers. A single number is not called co-prime. Other than 1, they do not share any common factors. For example, if we write 2 and 3, factors of 2 are 1 and 2, factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So what is common factor among these two numbers? That is 1. So 2 and 3 do not share factors except 1 other than 1. 2 and 3 have only common factors, that is 1. So 1 is the only common factors. So 2 and 3 will be called co-prime. After that, if I write 9 and 10, 9 has factors 1, 3 and 9, and 10 has factors 1, 2, 5 and 10. So what are the common factors? That is only 1. So 9 and 10 will be called co-prime. But if I write 10 and 12, when I write 10 and 12, it means 10 has factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So now what are the common factors? If we look properly, we have 1 in both the numbers, factor 2 in both the numbers. It means 10 and 12 has two common factors, that is 1 and 2. 1 is common factor and 2 is also common factor. So as per definition, two numbers will be called co-prime if they share only one common factor, that is 1. But 10 and 12 has shared more than one common factors, that is 1 and 2. So 10 and 12 will not be called co-prime. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share, comments, subscribe my channel and share it to your loved ones. Thank you.